Hey guys, Don's Appliances here. We're talking about roast probes, guys. Why do you need them? What benefits are they? And what types of roast probes, okay? First and foremost, this is a regular roast probe, kind of a manual one right here. And essentially whatever protein you're using, whether you're doing steak or whether you're doing pork or chicken or things like that, they're all gonna go in the thickest part of the meat, okay? And a lot of probes have a little divot on it. So if you see right here, there's a divot on yours. This one here, the ones in the wall ovens will have, a ring around them. So that's really where you want to bury the probe into so it actually gets the full read and measure. So on this, we're actually doing a roasting chicken. So you're going to want to put it in the breast part, in the thickest. A lot of people want to put it where the dark meat is and things like that. But here's like the thickest part. You can like see that, how I'm pinching that. Whereas right here would be, so we're actually going to put it right here, right in the thickest part. Okay? Just like that is really why you want to do that. But a lot of our appliances that we come with have internal roast probe standard, so you would just plug it in your oven and then plug it into your protein. A lot of other ones are infrared, some digital ones too. But if you're a Don's Appliance customer and you're using the internal roast probe, it's the best one because you don't have to keep opening and closing your oven to keep that heat in, right? So there's actually another one you can actually, from that we sell, has one with a wire in it and a roast probe on the side. That's a Bluetooth piece, so you can actually monitor that on your phone, which is another awesome feature. So this guy's just set up just like this, and then we're gonna truss it back. So we're just actually gonna put our wings back. So this will help it cook evenly, and this is gonna go to 165 degrees. So again, let's talk about a couple of the temperatures. When we're talking about chicken, that's a fully cooked item at 165. Whereas, beef, you have a little bit of a variance. If you like rare, it's 130, medium's 140, well's 155 to 160. So if you want to cook something well done, it's always going to be 165 degrees, okay? So that's the internal temp, all bacteria is killed. That goes for your porks and things like that too, okay? So this guy's going to be ready for the oven, and this is how you're going to do it with a standard roast probe, and you're going to put it in with all your other manual probes, just like this, okay? That's Roast Probe 101 with us. Thank you.